What's going on, guys? Let's go over a quick trade from this morning that myself and a lot of members from Evolution Traders took. That trade was a break of the initial balance lows. So to kind of start the day session, right? To kind of start the day session, we put in a little bit of a spike, creating that initial balance high. Then we kind of just slowly faded down into this zone. So this gray box here was those ETH lows that I was looking at. Once we got below that, I was looking at next demand zone being here at the linear regression. Once we really washed out that linear regression at around 1025, we set that IV low. Okay, we had a little bit of a back test into this linear regression, and then an absolute flush at 1035. So this absolute flush at 1035 put in a new low. Okay, so there's two ways to kind of play it. Either you take your first initial entry, which is taking the break of that initial balance pivot, which in this case for today's the 9th of December, that first initial break pivot was 21,545. Okay. Another way is you could take a second entry. And a second entry is allowing, let's say, a 1 or a 2 minute candle to break that pivot and put in a new low, and then waiting for a following 1 or 2 minute candle to confirm that new low. And that happens all inside this 1035 candle. This is a 5 minute time frame that you're looking at. That happens all inside of here. And that goes all the way down to a price of 21,509. So 21,509 from a entry point of 21,545, give or take, depending on if you took the first initial break or you waited for it to put in a new low and then confirm. There was more than 5, 10, 15, 20 points even on that initial balance breakdown. Beautiful trade here. This was probably one of the best trades that I took this morning, along with this bounce off of the low of day back into the range. Okay, market's been pretty stagnant for the past couple of hours now, but besides that, we had that beautiful flush through IB lows, had that dead cat bounce that provided a little bit of an opportunity that we also caught on Evolution Traders as well this morning on the call. So congratulations to all of you guys who took that. Again, just highlighting two trade ideas from today on the 9th. Again, very, very good trade ideas. They were very, very good trades. It was a seamless market to the downside and back up to the upside. With that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next YouTube video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you guys are looking to join the Discord, that link is down in the description box below. I will catch you guys on the video.